Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a scrumptious Oreo crumb cupcake. It's going to be a chocolatey cupcake with Oreo crumbles right in the batter, topped with smooth chocolate buttercream and Oreo crumbles sprinkled right on top. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway. Plus, if you're new in the kitchen, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead, preheat our oven to 350 degrees and get started on some delicious Oreo crumble chocolatey cupcakes. So our first step is going to be to grab a nice medium-sized mixing bowl and whisk together all of our dry ingredients. So let's start by adding in our flour, our cocoa powder, our baking powder, our baking soda, and our salt. Then we're going to give that a quick little whisk. Once you have all your dry ingredients fully whisked together, go ahead, scoot those to the side, grab a larger mixing bowl, and we're going to start on our wet ingredients. So first up, we're going to go ahead and add in our eggs and our white sugar. And with our hand mixer on a nice medium speed, we're going to go ahead and we're going to beat our eggs and our sugar until they're both light and creamy and fully combined. Once your eggs and sugar are nice and light and creamy, you want to follow that by adding in your butter and your vanilla. And then back in on that same medium speed and really work that butter and that vanilla into the eggs and the sugar. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and add in a little bit of sour cream before we go back in with our hand mixer and incorporate that sour cream on that same medium speed until everything really starts to come together and is nice and fully incorporated. So we have our dry ingredients, we have our wet ingredients, now it's time to put them all together. So let's go ahead and add in our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Then take our hand mixer on a low speed and we want to gradually incorporate that dry mixture into the wet mixture until everything really starts to come together and you have a nice, smooth, chocolatey cupcake batter. Now to top it all off, let's go ahead and add in a bunch of Oreo crumbles right into that cupcake batter. And with our spatula, we're going to go ahead and work those Oreo crumbs right into the cupcake batter. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have Oreo crumble chocolate cupcakes. All we have to do now is go ahead and transfer this batter into our piping bag and then into our cupcake liners. And fill each cupcake liner about a quarter of the way full. And lastly, just pop in the oven and let bake for a good 20 to 22 minutes, or until your cake tester comes out clean. So our cupcakes have baked. They've cooled, it smells like chocolatey goodness in the kitchen. I cannot wait to bite into all of these and eat them all. But first we have to go ahead and we have to decorate. So I'm going to be using smooth chocolate buttercream. I'll be sure to throw a link to that recipe also down below in the description so you can make your own, because you definitely should. It's really easy, it's really delicious, it goes with everything. Yeah, it goes with everything. But let's go ahead and we're going to add a nice generous amount of chocolate buttercream onto our cupcake. And top it off with a nice sprinkle of even more Oreo crumbs. And after you decorate all your cupcakes, you have the perfect Oreo crumb chocolate cupcake. It's moist, it's fluffy, the words escape me with how good this cupcake is. You definitely have to try it. You definitely need to let me know what you think in the comments below. And it's just, it's so good. Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making these Oreo crumble chocolate cupcakes. If you're a big fan of Oreo desserts or chocolate or cupcakes, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you want to see, and you're going to be trying yourselves. And don't forget, while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, definitely click that subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any more delicious cupcakes I have coming up in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own delicious Oreo crumble chocolate cupcakes, because you totally should, like, they're so scrumptious, so good. Definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna grab my cupcake. I'm gonna grab some coffee. I'm gonna enjoy the day. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye.